This is Matt Maerowitz, managing attorney for the Maerowitz law firm. So you've been charged with a DUI, but you passed all of the field sobriety tests. This doesn't make sense. Stay tuned for the October Myth of the Month. So if you've been arrested for DUI, you may have been at some point during the investigation asked to perform field sobriety tests. And if you agreed to perform these tests, you may think that you passed the test, that you did very well, but I gotta tell you, most people who think this actually failed the test. And that's because these tests are incredibly difficult to pass. There's a series of many different clues that the officer's looking for, and only a few clues need to be present in order for you to be marked as a failure, which is why I often advise not to take these particular field sobriety tests. Although there are some tests, such as a blood test, that are required to be taken, otherwise there's driving license suspension issues. These field sobriety tests, particularly the ones that are called standardized, the one-leg stand test, the walk-in turn test, and the HGN test, that's the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, where they're testing your eyes. These tests should normally be refused, and even though that the officer can use the refusal against you, typically that's a lot better than failing these tests, which I have to say is extremely common in a DUI investigation. So while you may think you passed the test, the truth is if you've been arrested for DUI, you probably didn't. So that is the October Myth of the Month.